Let's take a look at the Kenworth Genuine Windscreen Stone Shield. Safeguard your Kenworth's windscreen with this high-quality, heavy-duty stone shield. It provides reliable protection against road debris, rocks, and other potential hazards while helping maintain the pristine appearance of your truck. Mounting kits are supplied with stone shields, ensuring easy installation. They are designed for a precise fit and are available in silver or black powder-coated finish to fully integrate with your Kenworth's design. Key features and benefits are genuine Kenworth product for guaranteed quality and compatibility, precise fit for Kenworth truck models, durable construction for long-lasting performance, provide protection against cracks, chips, road debris and stone damage, easy installation for hassle-free maintenance, designed and engineered in Australia for Australian conditions, and include a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Contact your local PACCAR Parts dealer now to learn more about the range. Visit paccarparts.com.au/find-a-dealer.